goodness. Next week, Mom only goes Tuesdays a week. She goes Tuesday and Thursday. And right now it's Thursday, and she's on her weekend. And so she's really excited because when she goes to school on Tuesday, she needs to get as much time with her friends. And then on Wednesday, we'll do homework. Thursday is our last day of school. Once we finish the homework after that, we'll be free to make more videos. Yay! So yeah, anyway, today is a craft time with Cupcake. We're making like a monster head. It's a cute monster head. But yeah, so here is what you need. First you need, a flat surface. We're using a piano bench. It's a really flat surface. So yeah, and yeah, we made one once before, but yeah. Now here is what you need. You need one thing of one color paper and 2 things of your other colored paper. Now Mom picked these out. So yeah, I wanted pink. Yeah. Anyway, then you also need some tape. We got some Scotch tape. I prefer this tape. And our some scissors. These are our brand new scissors. And a heart stencil. And crayons. We have these kinds of crayons. Where at the bottom you can twist them. And it goes up. Yeah. I prefer those sorts of stuff. So yeah. These sorts of crayons, and so yeah. First of all, you need orange paper. Okay, and then I would prefer a black crayon. Black color. You can really do whatever color you want, but I'm probably gonna do black. Black crayon. So Mom's done.
Come on, Shadow. This is my dog, Shadow. I have 2 dogs. Finny. Ready for Finnegan? That's my sister. Where's Finny?
I don't know.
Oh, you want to see my bird? Okay, this is going to be a little loud. Hey, be quiet.
Yeah. Okay.
A lot. We call our house a zoo. Hey, be quiet. Golly. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here's.
We need this paper now. And we need scissors. And then we need another color. A crayon and a stencil. What I want. So first of all, you get to this size heart. It can fit in the palm of Mom's hand. Mom, show them. I'll show them. So yeah.
Like 6:37. Hey, quiet, please. I know. Don't look like towels outside. Neither did my mom. My mom's not actually home right now. She's going to get my brother for baseball. What?
Okay. So it looks like that. And then you have to cut them out. And to have my gerbils out. And she has the heart one out, which is Angel. So Mom cut out one heart. And she's going to cut out the other heart. It's not as easy as it looks. Not as easy as it looks.
Depends on if she's like trying to fight you, like to kill you, or if she's fighting you in a nice way. It's just no, but like it's a defense fight.
And then Mom cut out the other heart. And then she took, I think it's a piece of paper. And then okay, so you cut out a strip. And then you fold one side, then the other, then one side, then the other. Okay, then you get a strip of tape, and you roll it up. And then you stick it. Stick it on like that. And you get another strip. And you tape it on the back, like that. And then you take your orange paper, and you take this, and then you cut out a strip. heart go? I don't know, Cupcake. Mom, I'm scared. Don't be scared. What are you scared for? I don't know. What is it? Here's the heart. Get a strip of tape and you just do what you did with the other one.
It tries to bite me, but I sometimes let it. Well, actually, it hasn't bit me yet.
And then tape the heart on.
Yes,
And you get another strip of tape and you tape it. That.
and then there's another door. Can't go through that. Oh, mine is done.
There's our finishing touch. And see, even the stickers stick up. Yeah, guys, and for the next